My bad. Like, you're not staring at an ass in the air or what? Yeah, you're.
Hello, I'm Rick Hudgens. That's Tracy Green. Together we're Grudgins, and we make birdhouses, very unique rustic birdhouses. We use almost all recycled or repurposed materials so that we can keep our costs as low as possible, because 10% goes to the onerescue.org, where my brother, Pastor Lee West, rescues children all over the world from slavery. Let me show you some of our houses. Good. I'm playing. Good. No, it was just a test run.
Oh, okay. Alright. And all of them. Dog check, good for you.